Yes, maluto kita sin breakfast. And egg. Morning, ma. Fry kita egg for the breakfast. Sa balanceria for Marty Santo. So may mga leftover kitang food. So i-fry natin siya. Some oil. Just a little oil. So Marty Santo, kung nanihimo o niyo niyan, magnilay-nilay ka mo. Repent sa mga nahimo niyo na kasalan. May mga kasalan ka mo, you have to repent. Call natin ang ating scrambled egg. It's a beautiful Tuesday morning. Okay. So, na kita sa ating scrambled egg. Put some little oil. Again, para presentahin na. Tuyo. So, durog-durogon tayo ng kanin. Ang kaning lamig or bahaw. Put some salt. Kuhangoon tayo na nato. Tuyo or uga. This is alabay-bay. And put some another oil. I have here leftover. Wow! Laulaw. So, pritusin tayo na laulaw.
Partner ni Joe Martain, ano, na good morning daw, Brigada Julian. Salamat po, salamat po.
Kumuha tayo na balon for today. Marty Santo, laulaw. Halo kita laulaw sa office. So, okay ng aking itlog. And I have here uga. So, I put itlog in my baon. Then, uga. At, may baon. So, i-crispy tayo na inon-on na laulaw. Then, what is this? So, I have here sabaw. Luto baon, sir. So, mabalong ko sa sabaw.
And they want to share the release.
You too can share the
Gumising ng maaga para maglinis, magluto.
May naon ka na. Nagbutang ka na nato fried rice. Toasted garlic. Butang ta siya toasted garlic. Okay. Para mahamot. So these are all cooked in oil. Fried scrambled egg, fried tuyo, fried laulang, and fried rice. So these are all cooked in mantika. I hope you like it. I have here. So these are my baon. I put the laulau here as one of my most favorites. Okay. Then I close it. Then I put it on my lunch bag. So this is my lunch bag. So since may sabaw siya, ito siya pwede. Okay, like this. I'm ready. So that's it. I prepared my lunch. So pamahaw na ka mo. Mahaw na kita. Thank you. Please like and share. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.